How many times has this happened to you? You turn on your Game Boy to play a game, and you get junk on the screen. Stay tuned and we'll show you how to fix this. First thing you want to do is rule out your system. I know this is good, but if you have another Game Boy, just put the cartridge over. Make sure that it'll boot in here, or not. So in this case, it's hard to see on the color, but we have a garbled Nintendo logo down there. So that's telling me that there is something wrong with this cart. Now I bought this on eBay. This is an authentic Japanese Pokemon green. I really love the artwork on it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up, take a look inside, and we'll see how we can clean this. Now if you do any work on older systems, you're gonna wanna get a couple game bits that will open up these carts. You can use this for N64, Super Nintendo, Game Boy, a few other ones. Game Boy's real nice because it's just that one screw, and then you're gonna slide the face of the cart down and pull everything out. So the first thing we want to do is look for any obvious damage, any traces that could be damaged. Maybe it was a botched battery repair. This one looks okay. I mean, it looks like it's newer, but we'll see. If it does save, so I'm not too concerned about the battery on this one. I just want it to be able to boot up reliably. Now, on these contacts here, we do see discoloration. So really it's just years from use. You know, you think you have friction contacts on here, so all the years of it sliding in kind of wears these and scratches it. I've also noticed that the cart itself just smells really bad. So, you know, this probably didn't have the easiest life. Might have been abused a little bit. I have 3 things I like to do for this. The first thing I like to do is go through with a legitimate pink eraser, something off of Ticonderoga or even one of those big pinks. Just go through and don't push too hard. Just get some of that surface deterioration off of the cart. So we'll go through there. It's already looking a little better. After that, I'll go through with rubbing alcohol. Try to get the highest percentage of isopropyl alcohol you can from the store. You might need to place a special order depending on where you are in the world to get something above 90%. Then you're going to go through here, and what this is going to do, it's not only going to remove the eraser gunk, but it's also going to clean all of these contacts. 9 times out of 10, that's all you need to do. On really, really bad cases, sometimes you have to bring in your friend in mind and deoxit, and that can actually take care of some of it. So I cleaned the contacts really well. Looks a lot better in real life, so we're just going to test it by putting it in the back of the cart. We're not going to button the whole cart yet. Put it into the Game Boy, and moment of truth. Look at that. Perfect. Turn the volume down here. So you can see you can easily repair allegedly broken Game Boy games at home. Really, you just need an eraser and some rubbing alcohol. Put that on there, clean it up. Might take a few times, but after that, you'll be able to play your games just like new.